everyone, my name is Bethany. I'm one of Mosaic's dental assistants. I hope everyone is doing well and surviving during this quarantine and making the best of it. So today we will be doing some bath bombs. This is something that I've been wanting to do for quite a while. So in honor of it being Easter weekend, we will be doing an Easter theme. So let's get started. So these are the items that you will need:
baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, Epsom salt, food coloring, olive oil, moldings of choice, preferred essential oils. So first we're going to go ahead and start off by mixing our dry products. So we'll start with half a cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of citric acid, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of Epsom salts. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix our liquids. So we'll do 3 teaspoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of essential oils, 1 tablespoon of water, 2 drops of food coloring. You wanna be limited on the food coloring because you can dye your skin. We're gonna go ahead and mix our dry. We're gonna go ahead and place our liquid in. You wanna do this little by little, just because it can foam up. So after we slowly poured it in, you kind of want it to feel like wet sand. I'm gonna go ahead and use my moldings, and you wanna make sure you load it up. You wanna go ahead and make sure that it is loaded up, pat it in there very well. And then you wanna click it, if I can. If you're wanting to use them on the same day, you can always put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, or you can leave them room temperature sitting overnight.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you have a wonderful day.